Now, the president of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, has promised Nigerians robust legislative engagement when the Senate resumes from recess. Senator Akpabio said this earlier today when he returned from a short vacation in London. He arrived at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja, at about 4 a.m. and was received at the presidential wing by senators, aides and supporters. Senator Akpabio's return comes amid rumors on social media that he was critically ill and hospitalized in London. Speaking with journalists at the airport, the president of the Senate described the report as, quote, an imagination of the purveyors. He said, there is nothing like such. I am as fit as a fiddle. I only stopped over in London for a short vacation, end quote. Senator Akpabio had earlier attended the 6th World Conference of Speakers of Parliament in Geneva, Switzerland, from 29th of July to 31st, before proceeding to the United Kingdom. In a significant diplomatic engagement, Nigeria's Foreign Affairs Minister, Ambassador Yusuf Tuga, has met with Secretary of the Philippine Department of Migrant Workers, Hans Kagdak, who is visiting Nigeria and Liberia. Senior reporter Ademola Lawrence has details.
Nigeria's Minister of Foreign Affairs and Secretary Kagdak, who assumed leadership of the Philippine Department of Migrant Workers in April 2024, discussed strengthening cooperation on the welfare and protection of migrant workers, particularly addressing the needs of overseas Filipino workers in Nigeria. The minister welcomed Secretary and his delegation, affirming Nigeria's commitment to humanitarian and policy measures that safeguard the welfare of migrant workers.
Nigeria and the Philippines understand that there's a dearth of professionals, of workers, of skilled workers in many parts of the world. And we have the advantage of having youthful, large populations, and we can send out those workers, but we want them to be protected. So we have about 9 agreements that are pending that we want to conclude on. The minister has even suggested a 10th one to do with labor, so we're going to work on that even further. And of course, from here he's going to engage with my counterparts in the labor ministry, where they will discuss even further specifically on the subject of labor.
The Secretary expressed the Philippines' readiness to forge stronger partnership with Nigeria, focusing on labor protection, consular support and safe mobility for Filipinos workers.
To the Nigerian government, we expressed this to Minister Yusuf in terms of providing the necessary protection for the well-being of our workers here. And we seek better ways, stronger ways to deepen our bilateral labor relations. We have expressed the humble wish to have a migrant workers office here in Abuja in terms of further deepening our relations, and of course also making ourselves present as directed by the President. Our specific programs and services that we could provide to our own people here in Nigeria and to their families back home.
The meeting ended with both sides pledging closer collaboration in areas including consular services, legal protection and emergency assistance. The visit underscores Philippines' commitment to its global diaspora and Nigeria's resolve to uphold international labor standards. Ademola Lawrence, TVC News, Abuja.